while they're waiting for the glue to dry, Selina's over here on the scaffold painting the, it's actually the end of the building, but it's the first thing you see when you come in. So she wants it to look good. Have you decided yet if you're going to do the metal siding further up, or
no.
You're not going to? Okay.
No.
I didn't know if what you had decided, because last time we talked about it, you were thinking, no, yeah.
No, not yes.
Wow, what an amazing difference.
No.
They're not painted. Almost done here. Okay. Here's a shot from the distance of the effect she's trying to get on the end here. I think it's going to look so good. And there is the most adorable grandson in the world. Hello.
The wasp.
I know, yay wasp. Okay, they are getting ready to move the scaffolding. And Selina described it as what, my dear?
I don't know.
You said
pull a rabbit right out of my ass.
Yeah, exactly, right.
And do a magic trick. I don't want to move that huge stack of crapola.
Because it's all going to be used right here eventually.
And it's all going to be, and right now I'm trying to get a billion things done. I don't want to have to fucking do that too. So,
Yep.
And what's funny is, I haven't gotten any paint on the windows that I didn't immediately wash off. So I haven't had to scrape the windows from anything I've done. But from what the Bobby did, I've had to scrape the windows a couple of times.
What'd I do?
Not you, your daddy.
Oh.
A long time ago.
When he painted at the house the first time.
Right, dried.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so you moved. That makes sense. That makes sense. Well, you see where it is now. And you see where the utility pole is in relation to it. And there, I imagine what's the magic trick is going to be lifting it enough to get over that enough and around the bay window that sticks out just enough to make this a tricky proposition. Because of course we don't want to hit the box or the, yeah. Anyway, we'll see what happens. I'll show you when they're done.
Watch out, just trying to follow.
And they're doing it the smart way. They pulled it out and are taking it around and hopefully straddling that pile. Anyway, well, I'll come back. Okay, and they actually did exactly what they were trying to do. They got that end in, and now they put boards down because absolutely necessary. Mud. Can you hold that and put that under or no?
Yeah, give me a second. Yeah, because otherwise that's just going to sink right in.
That's going to sink.
Okay, Zip, come over here for a minute. I'm going to pick this up and I want you to put that board underneath that leg.
Because that is total mud there.
Oh yeah, that's the big step. Okay, we did it.
Can you reach the whole thing now?
No, but I can reach this part and then I can do this
by bringing it that side,
or
of
bringing
course.
It past, we can just, yeah, we're going to have to roll it out to roll it in.
Yeah, of course you are. Yay,
That's okay.
yay.
We did it. Okay, now we need that leg again, Zeb, because
That's amazing.
otherwise there's nothing to
support it.
The stability leg. Yeah, to keep it from flipping everywhere.
This before. No, that's what I had. Okay.
And
all right.
Got it on,
And we've already locked the wheels, right?
Not yet, I don't think, or have you?
Yes, we have.
Does that wheel need to be on the board or not?
It's okay to be in the dirt.
Okay.
It's mostly to catch me if I go backwards, and it's actually leaning towards the building.
That's true.
It's gonna fall. It's gonna fall.
It's gonna fall on the glass,
fall
yeah.
into the window. Break a bunch of shit.
Yay.
I'm not gonna be able to reach that. I don't think. Yeah, I can if I lean out.
I hope so. Yeah, I see what you're talking about over there.
Yeah. Well, I can too, because what I'm gonna have to do is, you're gonna love this. I'm gonna have to stand on that stool.
Oh my God, no! I'm not gonna love that at all.
Yeah. In order to reach the middle, I gotta stand on the stool.
I'm going away. So right now she's fixing some of these things on the metal that need fixing. And I don't know if I can show you or not, but there she is. And what she's working on is a piece of metal that was... There it is. See, it's totally sticking out.
Don't worry about it, Popeye. I'm gonna get it.
Okay, she's going to fasten that down. If the screws ever decide to stay. Problem is she's having to reach so high above her head. I see it. Not
It's
that.
okay, it doesn't matter.
So she resolved the issue of the not sticking screws by using the trusty hammer first. Because frankly, she doesn't have the angle. And now it's in. She's got 2 screws in there. That's awesome.
Yay!
And she's getting off that little stand-up thing, which makes me happy. Yeah. Anyway, I'm just worrying.
You're fetching?
I'm fetching and worrying. Yep, I'm off. So Zeb is doing something that I think is just brilliant. It's a thing that Selina's dad used to do all the time, and Selina does all the time. Painting something the same color, even though it sticks out, makes it disappear. And, people who don't know it's there won't see it. So they're painting this cable box the same color as the background, and it's just going to basically disappear instead of sticking out like the gray mess it was.
Honestly,
thank you, Seb.
I didn't even know it was there.
Okay, I've stepped away so the noise isn't quite as bad. Just wanted to update you. She's getting ready to trim around that vent that you can see in the peak. And she realized she moved. She's going to have to put an extension ladder up to get that white piece on the top trim. So other than that, it's beginning to come together. It's looking really good. But she's trimming around. I'll show you when she's got it.
Wait a minute. No.
And this is what she did. Let me show you. See? Trimmed all around that vent. She's happy to get away from it because there's hot air coming out of it. Today is so hot.
How does that look?
And she decided she found this star. Where did you find that star? At a yard sale or something? Goodwill, that's right.
For $2.
For $2, and it was brown. And she's painted it to match the house, and it just looks gorgeous under the peak. And now they're getting ready to do the extension ladder so she can get up to that section. And she's putting this trim board on here, which dresses it out so beautifully. And now I understand. I didn't even ask when she put the star up why it was so high up, and now I know. It looks so good. And they're walking the scaffolding all over the place again.
Oh.
You're on again. I'm talking to the people here.
Talking to the peeps.
This is easier on
You assholes, I'm not
inside surfaces, which is basically what it's intended for, but our son helped to modify it so that it's a lot easier to use in outside surfaces. And our son, the genius. And Selina and I figured out how to move it when we were on the other house.
And then help me lift this down that way.
Of course, it's going to have to be on wood again. She needs to bring it around so she can reach this part of the venue. And then maybe wrap around the corner. I don't know what she's going to do. They really do want to work on that bathtub project, but it's still drying.
Take it completely apart, but I know
Oh yes, but taking it apart is a pain in the rear. Here we go. This is so amazing. Doesn't that look good? Looks so much better. She's trimming around the windows that are in the red panels with the tan strips, tan pieces of wood trim, which is just gorgeous. And then I believe she's putting the spider trim. Yep, here she's coming with some of it. She's going to be putting that spider web stuff that you saw earlier in another video underneath each of these windows, which is going to be so awesome. I'll show you when it gets
No, not Yeah, those will.
So she got the painting and trimming mostly done here. There's on the left side of the middle window, she needs to put the red trim board up all the way. And she does not have the beige trim around the left-hand window yet. But other than that, it's done, including the incredibly gorgeous spiderweb trim under the windows. Can you see it? It's just so beautiful. Eventually, after she finishes painting around and we get the roof and the porch and all that other stuff done, she'll do the underpinning again, rock up. Hopefully I can show that to you too. Okay, I just want to show you that she has finished all the trim. She's got the beige on that side, the red's all the way up, and I showed you in the other video that she finished the spider webs. It is absolutely beautiful. So when I was not here, I was next door doing other things. Selina redid all the underpinning here on this side of the house, on the venue.
Not the underpinning, I painted it.
She redid it all. Look at that. All the way down this side.
On this side.
Just on this
I'll show
side.
'em how I did when I do the other side.
When she does the other side, we'll show you how she did it. So I'm probably going to hang on to this video so you can see that it's done. Okay, and I forgot to say this or mention it. Matter of fact, I didn't even see it. Can you see where the metal is? Paint, amazing. She painted over it, and it basically disappears. I'm going to show you a place further down that she did the same thing. It's down here where the electrical boxes are. If you'll remember, she had to completely redo this, and those boxes are on a great big piece of wood. Can you see it now? That is insane. That is such a cool trick. Anyway, she's going to show you all of this actually being done when she gets to the other part of the venue.